What's up YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be cooking this super juicy and delicious barbecue jerk chicken. First, I'm going to drizzle some avocado oil on the chicken. I am using this as a binding agent. Then I'm going to sprinkle the seasoning on it, which is a mixture of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, and some paprika. I am also going to add a little bit of browning and a tablespoon of jerk seasoning. Now I'm going to allow this to marinate for an hour before baking. After the hour passed, I started adding them to the baking tray like this. Then I'm going to put them in the oven to bake for 40 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After the 40 minutes, I turn them over on the other side like this and pour some of the juices on them because I don't want them to be too dry. So for the sauce, what I did was add some ketchup, soy sauce, browning, vinegar, sugar, and some paprika to a bowl, and I mixed them together. The ingredients will be in the description box down below, so you can go and take a look. And here we have the sauce. After the 30 minutes, it was now time to add the sauce to the chicken, and these will bake for another 5 minutes. Then I will turn them over on the other side and add some more of the sauce and bake them for another 5 minutes. I never used to like baked chicken, but since I started making it myself and using the jerk seasoning and the barbecue sauce, I started liking it. So if baked chicken is not something that you like, you can go ahead and try this recipe, and I hope you will like it then. And there you have it, some super easy and tasty oven jerk barbecue wings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.